Question: Class A network. Which network, Shubik?
So 21.
Okay, 21.000. Host requirement
8,000.
8,000. Okay, I can do this question. After that, you all do the next question. So, firstly, we find the 2 to the power h minus 2. So, we find the h. Our h is 2 to the power 8, 6.
13.
Okay, h is equal to 13.
Yes, sir.
So, now we do converted network bit. Network bit is equal to total host bit minus requirement host bit. So total host bit in class A is 24 and we minus require host bit 13. We got 11. Now we do total network bit. Total network bit by default plus converted network bit. So by default total network bit is 8 and converted network bit is 11. So we got 19. So new subnet mask is 255.255.224.0. Okay.
Sir, can you explain how that 224?
Yes, ma'am. I can explain this. We have 4 octet. Okay. So by default 8 bit is reserved for the class A. Okay, ma'am. In first octet. Second octet also go and 19 bit. It means 3 bit of the third octet. So value of this octet is 255, second octet is 255, and the value of these three particular bits. So 124 plus 64 plus 32 got 224, man.
One to 8 plus 64 plus 32.
1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 1 to 8. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, understood.
The value of this three bit is 224 and dot 0. So now how we find the range means if we have network of class A this one and requirement is this one. We got everything converted network bit, total network bit, new subnet mask. but from where we start the IP addresses range and where we have to end. So we find the range of IP. So we have many formula for this, but in which octet we got changing in subnetting, we are dividing, we are minus from the 256. I can explain yesterday why we are minus from the 256, because when we do 2 to the power 8, we got 256. So here we can minus from the 256, this one. So we got
Can you
32.
can you explain this, Ankit? Why you took 2 power 8 and so why you got 256? Like I didn't understand.
Because in one octet, bro, we have 8 bit.
Mhm.
Okay,
Okay.
that's why we can, here we do 2 to the power 8.
Mhm.
Understand, bro? Any question? Hello.
Okay.
Yes, Veda.
So for host first octet, you are taking 256.
For find the range. Okay.
Okay.
So we got 32.0. It means,
So how you got 32? So you are taking this 32?
means yes, bro. We got 32.0.
So how you got this 32.0?
In our third octet, we got changing, because in third octet only we take 3 bit.
Okay.
Okay, so this octet value minus from, subtract from the 256. New subnet mask is 224.
Mhm.
So we are subtract from the 256, we got 32. Yes, bro. Any more doubt?
Okay.
So range of IPs is started from the 21.0.0 to 21.0.32.0. This is the range. Okay, if we talk about first IP, 21.0.0.1. Last IP is 21.0.15.254. Sorry, not 15.2, 31.254. And broadcast IP is 21.0.31.255. Yes, Veda.
Can you explain like why?
Okay. And in this we have 16 bit for host and 16 bit for network. Okay. and host requirement for this one is 6,000. So first we have to find the h, and our h value is 13. Here we can do this one. So first we find 2 to the power h minus 2. Now we do converted network bit. Means total network bit minus requirement network bit. We got total network bit is 16 and requirement network bit is 30. So we got 3. Now we do total network bit. Total network bit by default plus converted network bit. So total network by default in class B is 16 and converted network bit is class C is 3. Got total 19. Okay, so new subnet mask has 255.255.224.0. Right, bro? By default, subnet mask of mask is 255.255.0.0. Now we find the range, and how we find the range? We can minus range of IPs 255.255.224.0, and we can subtract from the 256 we got 32.0. So IP started from first IP is equal to 171.40.0.0 to 171.40.32.0. First IP is 171.40.0.1. Last IP 171 broadcast 171.40.31.255. Any confusion, any doubt?
Why you got like 171 and 40?
So if you want to log in by your username and password by using email, then you can log in. Okay, and now I'm guest login. Confirm guest. Here we do all the practical. In this packet tracer, we have network devices. In network devices, we have routers, switch, uh, 1 minute. So in this we have network devices. In network devices, we have router, switch, hub, wireless device, security device, and the WAN devices. We have also end devices. In end device, PC, laptop, server, phone, many things. And this we have the cable. This is automatically it take, okay, this one is console cable, copper straight through, and the copper crossover. And this one is serial cable, and this one is USB. Okay, so how we do, if I take here two router, what is router? Router is used to connect the different network, and I can connect with the automatic cable. So it write Giga Ethernet 0 by 0 by 0. This is interface port where we connect the cable. Don't be confusing this. This is where we connect the cable. This is port number. Okay. When you first time connect the cable, you didn't get this. So how we get? We go in the option, then we go in preferences, and here you can click on this one. Always show port label in logical workspace. Then you get this interface number. Okay,
Which type of cable you said, sir?
it take ma'am automatic Ethernet cable and it use Giga Ethernet
Okay.
interface. Okay, ma'am. Now how we do IP addressing and all these things. If I want to remember, whenever we start IP addressing all these things, we all are very confused. So for remember IP addressing, we take from here note. Okay. So I can write here 10.0.0.1. It means we are assigning IP addresses of this one. And directly connected router on interface is same IP. Sorry, same network, but IP is different. Here we give same network, but IP is different. I can give one question, everyone for learn Gracious and ARP and proxy ARP. So how we do IP addressing? We click on the router, we get these options, we go in config mode, and now see the interface, because we are do IP addressing on the interface, not on all the router. So we go on the interface Giga Ethernet 0 by 0 by 0 and write here the IP address 10.0.0.1 and click enter. It take automatic subnet mask of the network. It is class A network, that's why it take by default subnet mask 255.0.0.0. Now we go on CLI mode and run one more command, no shutdown. By default, all the interface of router is down. When we run this command, no shutdown, it create one log message and said interface Giga Ethernet 0 by 0 by 0 change state to up. Now we go on another router in config mode. Then Giga Ethernet 0 by 0 by 0, because here is same interface 10.0.0.2. Then enter and go in CLI mode and run command no shutdown. The interface is up. It means our IP addressing is done. But this process we are using only in the Cisco packet tracer. Okay. So how we do IP addressing if we get new router or switch on routers? How the command is working? So firstly, what I do, I can reload this router and write one by one every command. Okay. So I can write here every command and the mode also. So first it asks about, would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog? So we say that no. We get these types of option. Router and this one. This is privilege. So this is user mode. This is user mode, and here we can run only. Here we can run only some show command and ping command. Here we cannot run every show command. What is show command and what is every command, I can told you after some minute. Okay. For go in another mode, we run command router enable. Go on the router and run command enable. Write en and use tab. It take enable. When you get this point, this is privilege mode. Router, this is privilege mode. Here we can run all show command, ping command, trace route, all this command. Okay. For going another mode, we run the one more command, conf. Use one more time tab, go in configuration terminal and enter. Router conf. Now you get like this, conf config. This is global configuration mode, and here we can run all routing protocol access control list, NAT, okay. It means if we want to change anything in router, then we can do from this mode, global configuration mode. ACL NAT or any policy if we want to run on the router, then we can run from this mode. I want to do IP addressing, so we have to go on the interface. So router config, you can write here interface and then interface number, which on which interface we want to do IP addressing. Then we get this type of option. Config. And here we write the command IP address 10.0.0.2 and we have to write also the subnet mask. And then we can run no now do want to go on the interface and always check the interface from here. Don't give interface number by yourself. Interface Giga Ethernet 0 by 0 by 0. And then we can write IP address 10.0.0.2 and then we give the subnet mask 255.0.0.0 and then we run no such command.
Sir, what is that G0 slash?
Giga Ethernet 0 by 0 by ma'am, this is interface number.
Yeah, but even one more is there, right? 0/0/1.
Yes, there is one more.
So
Giga
what
Ethernet.
what
When
is
we connect another router, when we want ma'am connect another router, that
okay?
time it take different. It means this is a port number, just a port number where we connect the cable, but it take automatically.
Here three numbers are there. So which is port number? How we should understand that port number?
Which number?
That gig, what you are telling, you told it's a port number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So port number is not mentioned over there. We know only IP, that which we have specified, the 10 dot.
Ma'am, here this is specified. Where you do, ma'am? This
But
thing?
port number should be within 0 to 65,000 something, right?
No, no, ma'am. This is another port number. Ma'am, this is where we connect the cable.
Oh, okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, Veda.
And why we are not giving IP to a router and why we are giving to interface? So that for that interface we are giving port. If there are like you mean to say it's a adapter, different adapters. So we are giving interface to IP.
Yes, ma'am. We give on IP addresses on the interfaces because a router to interface connected to different network.
Okay.
Suppose, ma'am, here we have one more router. Okay, ma'am, and we connect these things. So, one router, two interface connect a different network. Here we have to also give the net IP, but different network. Here I can write IP. I can write same IP, but here it connect a different network. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
That's why we give IP addresses on the interface. Because a router 2 interface connected to different network. Yes, ma'am. Any question?
Yes.
Ashwin? Shovik?
No, sir.
Okay. So after that, by default, the interface of router is down. So change the state of interface. We run no shutdown command. No shut command. And if we want to down from up, and if we want to change state from up to down, then we can run shutdown command. Shutdown. If we want to back from any mode, then we can run command exit. Just like in this, I want to come back from the interface to global configuration mode. Then we can run command exit. Want to come back from global configuration to privilege mode. I can run command exit. Now I am in the privilege mode. For check the connectivity, we run ping. In privilege mode, always in privilege mode, we run ping 10.0.0.1. We run here ping 10.0.0.1. It can show how our packet is successful and how much it dropped. Okay. For check the interface status in in privilege mode, we run show IP interface brief. This command. Show IP interface brief. Sorry. So this show interface number and the IP addresses and show status up and up. It means our interface is up. If this is down, we are not able to communicate. Method, how we configure the IP address? It has the manually. If we get IP address from the DSCP, it write automatic.
Sir, you ran a ping command for 0.1, right? So that is not shown here. It should work.
Ma'am, this is a local IP address, and I can check our neighbor. I am connected with 10.0.0.1 or not. I can ping from router 1 to router 0, ma'am.
Router 1 to
Router 0. From 10.0.0.2 to 10.0.0.1.
okay.
Yes, ma'am. We can ping different device.
Okay.
Okay. For check the routing table. In privilege mode, we can run command show IP route. It show the routing table. Okay, any doubt?
Sir, can you show that show IP route once again?
Show IP route. Done, ma'am.